So we start off in the main menu of Fortnite and I will show you how to turn on aim assist. So you go to the top left and you select the three lines right here. You open them up and you scroll down to the settings, you open this up, you press settings again. Now you go to the top and you look for the controller icon with the setting. You scroll till you find it. Here it is and select it to open it up. After you get here, you scroll down and you look in the sensitivity tab and you find the use advanced option setting, pressing the arrow to the right, and you confirm this. Now you scroll down until you get to the advanced sensitivity settings. You need to play with this setting. This setting is called aim assist strength. So you can move this around. 0 means you have disabled aim assist, and 100 means you have the max amount of aim assist. I need to note that this only works if you use your controller on your PC or if you play on consoles. For example, I have turned on the aim assist on max for now. I'm playing on my PC and this only works if I connect a controller. That is it. Thank you for watching, but before we go, you just need to press apply to save your changes. After you press apply, the changes will save, and that is it basically. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.